want the bag, want the bag. Ooh, I want the bag, want the bag. I want the bag. Funny money, na ming spila limpi. Funny pile shop, 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 funny.
Yo guys, it's your boy TMK. I'm back again guys with another banger video. So on today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how you can make 1,160 rand guys with this amazing website guys. So if you are new to my channel guys, please make sure you like and subscribe, because on today's video guys, I'm gonna give you something that is so amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys. Let me go to the website and show you how you can do it. Okay guys, now I'm on the website. I will leave the link on my description. When you click the link, you will land somewhere here guys. So you're gonna sign up guys. You're gonna click sign up here down. So now I have my account, so I'm gonna log in guys. I'm gonna click login. Okay, I think they're going to ask me like putting my email. I'm gonna put my email, put my password guys. I'm gonna put my password. Okay, I'm gonna click login. Boom, I'm in guys. As you can see guys, now I'm left with 50 rand guys. I'm only left with 50 rand. So for now, as you can see, you are yet to complete your profile. And guys, when you land here, you're gonna complete your profile guys. You're gonna complete your profile guys. You're gonna complete your profile. You're gonna complete your profile. They're going to give you 10 rand by completing your profile and going to verify your social media profile. If you want, you're gonna update here, like everything here you need to do. You need to complete step by step guys. So it's basically what you only need guys. So here are the surveys guys. You can vote for the survey. You can choose this one and vote. I'm gonna learn somewhere. As you can see, I've earned 1 point for doing that. I'm gonna go for movies again. I'm gonna click vote. I'm gonna click yes. Okay, I've earned another point guys. Just by doing that guys, you are making yourself some money guys by doing that, only by voting. So also you can come here where they say refer a friend. I'm gonna share your referral link, and I think you get 10 rand guys. You get 10 rand per friend. We are offering you another opportunity to earn extra by referring your friends. Okay, and friend maybe to opinion SBRU, I don't know the name. 5 simple step can get like 10 rand or more. So when you share with a friend, you're gonna get 10 rand guys. 10 rand by just doing that. That's by referring guys. That's by referring. So you only do that guys. You're gonna click here when you wanna refer. You're gonna click here. You're gonna put your refer name. You can put your name here guys, and then here you're gonna put your email. So you're gonna click send. So they're going to send you your own refer link on your email. So you need to go to your email and check, and then copy that refer link so that you can share to your friends guys. That's basically what you need to do guys. So as you can see, I've shown you guys how to start making this cash by how to make this cash with surveys, guys. With surveys, I've shown you. It's free, guys. It's free. You don't need to put money here to start. It's basically free, guys. Live surveys, all categories. I think it's games. So guys, you can go through all these, guys, for yourself, because I don't want to make this video to be long. Just go and register. The link will be on my description, guys. I will leave the link on my description when you want to register on this website. So that's awesome, guys. That's awesome, guys. See you on the next video.